Yes, today we're at the dock, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, but your boy is back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. First day of the season. The season is not even officially back, but I am back. Oh, fish moving, guys. Fish moving. Got one little touch. Yo, guys, the season is here. Like I told you, they are moving. Yeah, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. And if you know me, you know I release in hot grease. Yo, look at this. Look at this. The season started well. Healthy. Healthy. Oh, yes. Guys, just look. Colin, this is beautiful. And unfortunately, I put him in the bag. That is how we do it. Start the season right. I got a fish. Ooh, I got another one. In the trees. In the trees. Back to back. In the trees. Back to back. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't even decide to go fishing. And then I said, you know what? Let me go see what's going on at the dock. Look at what is going on at the dock. Look at what is going on at the dock. I was hung in the tree. The second one. Somebody eating bass for dinner. Somebody eating bass for dinner. We're not playing. We are not playing. Told you, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We're killing it this season. We are killing it this season. Go ahead and subscribe for now. Turn on the notification bell. We'll be posting. Yeah, we're back. We're doing it Cardo's way. I don't think this is Cardo's way. I don't know why I'm out of this street. I'm good. I'm good. I'm not bro. No. Yep. I'm not bro. I'm not bro. And let's fuck it. Go, let's go. Yeah. No, bring it to the back. So if you're a bass fisherman, you know, bass hunt close to the edges. So when you fish it from the bank, you want to throw, pull it to the edges. Yeah. Hey, woo. I thought I was going to fish again. I was about to say 3 from 3. They moving. Wait, hey. Something's going to happen. I just saw something. He's right here too. That big. Let's see if we can sight fish this one. I think you want it. Alright, let's go over here. Yeah. Over there. Over there. Over there. Everybody. You know you're hungry. It's several months. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Nice fish. Okay. Hey. We got it. We got number 3. We're killing it, guys. We're killing it. We are killing it. We are, I am. But yeah, no, we. You guys are here with me. And we're doing it Cardo's way. We're doing it Cardo's way. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Yeah, guys. We got that storage. That storage. You know, we went out for 10 minutes. So that was 10 minutes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So much more than that. Feel like it's hot. So we're doing it for 10 minutes. And we got 3 fish. That's a win. That's a big win. Alright, so go. Let me back on this side. Come here. I really wanted to go. So we go see what happened. We go see what happened. Look at the go. This side. Too much of the deep. What you like to do? What do you do? Finish. Go on, everybody else. Alright, guys, we're going for a walk. Remember? 1, 2, 3. Going for a walk. Alright guys, so this is the new spot that we'll try. That's what they call patience. Patience, boys. Patience. Waiting patiently. Patiently. Don't play with me. Alright. Yes, guys. We're back at it again. So we changed the spot because that one was kind of close. And when we catch that first one, him splash up a lot. So, new spot. Fish. 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 Oh, nice fish. And there was two more right in front of me. There's two more big ones right in front of me. Right in front of me. They're biting like crazy. Damn. Damn, damn. We on today. There's another fish. It's on right line. Right line, I was touching that one. Two big ones just in right line. Fish, you like it? Come on. What do you like it? I got it. Very small, I got it. It's a beautiful day. Yep. Just remember you're not lying. Yes, sir, we are doing it right. We're doing something right. Yeah, I'll be like it. Mighty like crazy. Yeah, I'll be like it. Mighty like crazy. Right now, I was catching that one. I got two big ones. It's right in front of me. I'm like, oh, that's good. I just see them. I just see them. They're going around the thing right here. I have to make it around here for them. I just see them. Watch it get something. Right in your tongue. Patience. Alright, let's do another one. Go like that. Alright, I was gonna find out. That's a bit. We did that again. You did that again. You're doing it right. Yes, guys. So with this one, yeah, this is the last one for the day. Ever. I'm gonna give them a break. Last one for the day. Yep. So it was a beautiful day. And like I said, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna be dropping videos behind videos. So if you've not yet subscribed, now's the time to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can see when I'm catching these. Unfortunately, you didn't see when I catch this one, but you sure saw when I catch all the others. And let me show you them right now. Here we go. Okay, are you done? Let's see who bigger. You bigger than him? Yeah. So you the biggest one. So yeah, guys, we got 6. Don't tell nobody the bag is 5, but you know, we're keeping that extra one. And we're gonna cook them. And guess what? We're gonna make sure you guys see it when we do the cook up. Y'all might not see the cleanup, but y'all will see the cook up. Like I said, we're doing it Cardo's way. If you know Vibes Cartel, what is on the nose? I'm out.